Here is a question to practice for IIT JAM Math, a good question, and correct option of this question will be given in video number 42. You see the correct option in that video in comment section, and solution of this question will be given in video number 43. Now this time we should see the solution of the question number 39. Let us see that solution. In that video, that is video number 39, you have a question in which the function was in two variables x fxy equals to x cube plus 3xy square minus 15x square minus 15y square plus 72x. Now we take partial derivatives, that is del f by del x. Then this will be 3x square minus 30x plus 72, and del f by del y with respect to y, 6xy minus 30y. And to get the critical points, we equate this expression to 0. Similarly here 0. From here you can find the values, and this will be here in this a term, this plus 3y square. Now from here we can have y equals to 0 or x equals to 5. Now corresponding to this value y equals to 0, if you put y equals to 0 in it, then you have 3x square minus 30x plus 72 equals to 0. And if you take a 3 common, then this will be x plus 24 equals to 0. From here we get x to be 64. This 64 we get from this value y equals to 0. So 2 points we have 6, 0 and 4, 0. Now if we put x equal to 5 in this, the second equation, then this will be, this whole thing will be 75 minus 150 plus 72 plus 3y square equals to 0. From here we get y equals to plus minus 1. And you must remember that this y comes using x equal to 5. So 2 more points, 5, 1 and 5, minus 1. So we got 4 critical points. You see. Now to see the next means saddle points, maximum, minimum, we take second derivative of these two. Second derivative of this will be del square f by del x square, and this will be, if you find, then this will be 6x minus 30, 6x minus 30, and that is 6x minus 5. And if you find del square f by del y square, then this will be, from here if you again differentiate this with respect to y, then here will be 6x minus 30, 6x minus 30, that is 6x minus 5. Now you see that here there is second derivative, but same both the times with respect to x. Here also you see the second derivative with respect to y, but we now take a mix. Mix means here you see del f by del x, so we get del square f by del x del y. Here you see this is also second derivative, but here is mix. You see del x del y. So this will be, if you differentiate this thing with respect to y, then you have 6y. And we call this r, we call this t, and this s. Now we get rt minus s square. Here I am getting, or in the next page we get rt minus s square. Then this will be 36 and x minus 5 whole square minus this s we got here 6y, so 36y square. Now put the values. We have 4 points, 6, 0, 4, 0, thereafter 5, 1, 5, minus 1. If you put these 2 points, then rt minus s square is greater than 0. If you put these 2 points, then rt minus s square is less than 0. So corresponding to these 2 points we have saddle points. So the number of saddle points is 2. Now if you put 60 in r, if you put 60 in r and 40 in r, then you will have at one time r positive and at one time r negative. So the number of maximum and minimum points are 1 each. So the correct option in video number 39 is A, because in A, sorry, is B, because in B you see critical points 4, sorry, the correct option will be A, because in A you see critical point 4, maximum 1, minimum 1 and saddle point 2. And same thing we got here, critical points 4, these 4 points, and saddle points 2, because for these two points rt minus s square is less than 0, so 2 saddle points and 1 point each for maximum and minimum. So correct option of the question in video number 39 is A.